In this video, I'll show you how to import a suppression list in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And at the bottom, you want to click on the sixth option, which is Audience. Now, once you are on the Audience section, head over to the top bar. And on the right-hand side, simply click on the drop-down from Add Contacts. And at the bottom, simply click on Import Contacts. Now from here, you can choose two options, either to paste your contacts. This is by separating them with a comma separated value. This means one per line. On the right hand side, you can upload a file. So this will be the exact file of all of the contacts in which you want to suppress. So in here, we will upload a file. From here, you want to click on download our sample CSV file. And from there, we will open it through Excel or Google Sheets. And for this demo, we will open it through Google Sheets. Once you open the file, it will look exactly like this. As you can see, it will ask for the email address, first name, last name, their address, what do you like to grow, tags, and birthday. These are all optional. You can still keep phone as blank if that is something in which you don't need. But in here, you need to add the email address, let's say janedoe@gmail.com. On the first name, this will be Jane. We will also add the last name, which is Doe. You can add an address as well as leave it blank. You can add the phone number as well as what you like to grow, let's say vegetables. On tags, you can leave it as blank. We can set this up later on. And for the birthday, you want to add the month first as well as the day. And once you're done, what you can do is simply add multiple contacts until however you want it to be. Once you have the list of contacts that are on your suppression list, head over to the top bar. On the left-hand side, simply click on File. Under File, hover your mouse on Download. On the right-hand side of Download, you can export this as a Microsoft Excel, which is an XLSX file, or a comma-separated value, which is CSV. We will export this as a CSV file. And once it's done downloading, head over back to Mailchimp. From here, you want to click on Select a File, and it will automatically take you to your file section. From there, simply add the spreadsheet. Once you have it, at the bottom, click on Continue. From here, you want to add your current audience. We will set this as this audience. At the bottom, we will not add to groups, as well as we will not update to any existing contacts. At the bottom, click on Continue again. On the tag, we will set this as suppressed. This will be our new tag. And at the bottom, we will click on Continue. Now in here, you have to match your fields from the spreadsheet up into Mailchimp. Since we use the spreadsheet from Mailchimp, it will automatically add the value since it is correct. But just in case, simply click on Mailchimp's field names. In here, you want to match email address to the email address. Once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Continue. And on Select an email marketing status, since we want to add this as a suppression list, you want to add this as unsubscribed or non-subscribed. We will add this as unsubscribed. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and click on Finalize Import. At the bottom, click on Complete Import. And once you do that, it will add all of the contacts that you have uploaded into the unsubscribed list, and they are all considered as a suppression list. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.